just do it. I mean, same thing, but just without the technical stuff. But literally, just do it. Like, and when I mean just do it, like literally try everything, y'all. Because before Clean Biz Network was a company, I tried everything. I tried e-commerce. I tried drop shipping. I tried playing with apps. I tried everything that I actually have now. But I was trying those things first, affiliate sale, all of the make money stuff that they say you can do.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
So AJ, anybody watching right now, young children, people who want to have be an entrepreneur or start a business and they don't know where to go, what to do, what would you advise them to have as their first step?
Oh, first step. Literally YouTube, right? Whatever you think about doing, YouTube it and then go do it. So that's the literal answer. I guess the more philosophical answer would simply be, just do it. I mean, same thing, but just without the technical stuff. But literally, just do it. Like, and when I mean just do it, like literally try everything, y'all. Because before Clean Biz Network was a company, I tried everything. I tried e-commerce. I tried drop shipping. I tried playing with apps. I tried everything that I actually have now. But I was trying those things first, affiliate sale, all of the make money stuff that they say you can do, write an ebook, print money tomorrow. You know what I mean? All of that little get rich quick schemes that they say is BS. The way that they're framing it to you is BS because it's not going to happen for you overnight. But the actual tactics are not BS. All of this stuff can work if you work. And you got to understand, I've been building and I've been doing business since I was 19. I didn't probably start seeing actual money until I turned 28, 29. You know what I mean? So definitely put some time into it and definitely remember that. And I want to leave this one last thing too, for the young people in particular, but for anybody. Before I bought my first cleaning franchise, I was smart enough to read my entire FDD. That's called the franchise disclosure document, which most people don't read. But anyway, I was smart enough to do that. And at the very end, they had a list of every single franchise owner, former franchise or current franchise owner that ever owned one. So I picked random names out the group to call and to get what they would think about it before I bought in. This one guy said something that probably changed my life. He said, wait, and after I'm asking all these questions, he was like, wait, how old are you? And I was like 19. He said, oh, shit, buy in. You got plenty of time to mess up. And when I heard it, it kind of turned me off because I'm like, mess up? So you telling me that if I get this business, I'm going to mess up? Like, I ain't know how to take that. But over time, I took it the way that he intended it and the way I should have took it, which was, you got time. You know, like, the worst thing gonna happen is you're gonna learn from it anyway. You know what I mean? And so that's how I approach everything now. I always look as long-term as possible. What's the worst that can happen? I got plenty of time to mess up. And that's what I want to tell you. You got plenty of time. Just do it. You know what I mean? Just do stuff.
That's really good. That's really good because the way that he said it, you have time to mess up. It sounds like, because you don't want to mess up, especially when you're younger, you don't want to mess up, but you are going to mess up. That's what happens. That's how you grow. Yep. So I love that story. I love that story.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it.